Did you know that consuming breakfast alone increases your metabolism by 10%? One of the most effective morning foods is oatmeal. This should be a fundamental dish in your diet if you want to get your body in excellent shape. Because it gives you an energy boost and has a lot of fiber to keep you full in content, oatmeal is the ideal breakfast. The delayed digestion of oatmeal in the stomach results in sustained energy. Additionally, it contains a lot of water-soluble fibers, which contribute to your feeling satisfied for a longer time. Oatmeal also lowers cholesterol, maintains blood sugar levels, and protects against heart disease, diabetes, colon cancer, and obesity, according to studies. Simply sprinkle some blueberries and raspberries on top of your porridge to add some potent antioxidants. Antioxidants included in these delectable foods help prevent cancer, heart disease, and a host of other diseases. It has also been demonstrated that blueberries protect vision. Among more than 40 fruits and vegetables, this potent fruit had the highest antioxidant rating. What more could you possibly want from your morning meal? Oatmeal isn't only good for breakfast, though. It can be used to boost your workout a few hours prior to working out. Even your smoothies can contain oats. Additionally, it makes a great addition to muffins and can even be used to coat chicken breasts. Remember to purchase the unflavored, unsweetened variety. You can add bananas, berries, or milk to it to give it a little extra flavor. Pre-flavored oatmeal's drawback is that it frequently contains a high sugar content. So, focus on the positive. Try the steel-cut oat kind if you want oatmeal with a little bit more texture. Even though it takes a bit longer to cook, I think it is well worth the extra time. Compared to rolled oats, they taste heartier and have a somewhat chewier texture. You might never try another flavor after trying this one. Try eating a bowl of oats if you struggle with late-night binges. Your desires will be lessened as a result. Not to mention, you won't be eating any junk food or calories with little nutritional value. If you want to get in the best form of your life, I advise switching up your morning meals so that you have oatmeal one day and eggs and steak the next. Your body will start burning fat faster as a result.